Sichuan Province, China. It is a comprehensive technology enterprise specializing in the design, development, and production of animatronic and theme park amusement products. We have obtained ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, Supplier Evaluation certification qualified by BV, and CE certification, and have been rated as a gold supplier by Alibaba for 10 consecutive years. We produce animatronic dinosaurs, simulated dinosaur bones, animatronic animals and insects, and performance clothing, movie props, miniature landscape, and other products have been sold to 85 countries and regions. Our professional sales team and after-sales team ensure that we can provide timely and professional solutions. Our products can withstand the rigorous tests in every process, from design to production. Soaking in water can test the waterproofness of the control box circuit board. The gravity test can test the strength of the steel frame. And we use fire-resistant sponge to ensure product safety. Under the leadership of more than 10 well-known experts and professors, the simulated dinosaurs made of flame-retardant materials have been developed and produced by ourselves, which has been well received by customers. Ocean Art is now in its 12th year since its establishment, adhering to the company's beliefs of integrity, quality, service, and win-win. It is our eternal original intention to make the best simulation products in the industry.